How to get skins in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to get skins in Kingshot. The main way now is through the in-game skin shop found under the Growth of Events tab. When you redeem skin tokens earned by completing daily missions and event tasks. No more random drops or coding hacks. During major events like the Kingdom of Power, developers often release exclusive event skins you can unlock by ranking high or completing event milestones. Some rare skins may also appear temporarily in VIP packs, but those usually cost real money. To stay updated, check your in game calendar every day, participate in limited time events, and watch for new changes after server restarts. Skip sketchy methods like third party downloads, those can get you banned.